I bet your car speakers can't do this. All right, so let's get into it. First impressions. The packaging actually feels premium. You've got the speaker itself, a charging cable, looks like USB-C, which I love, and a little instruction card. Solid build. It doesn't feel cheap in your hand. There's a rubberized grip on the bottom, so it's not sliding all over your dashboard. It's compact. This portable Bluetooth speaker costs less than a dinner out just in 4,500 PKR, and it goes stupid hard. Comment speaker, and I'll send you everything you need to know. And follow. I drop bangers like this every week.Enjoy car base.
Full trim dark tone, king seat full throne. Ever move my own, build it stone by stone. Fast drive deep bait.